You're a dork.
What?
I know.
It's bad time.
I know. This is our sad excuse of a Friday video.
It's Friday.
It's Friday.
Why am I in the... Oh, well, you know, this, I guess, makes it easier. Instead of bringing the packouts into the bedroom, I'll just bring the bedroom into the packouts. You know who else has a really full bedroom and probably should not be putting their tools in it? Pete. So he was over at JLC, which is, you know, one of those things that I have yet to have time to go visit. And he might have brought a little too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Pete take over for a second. And you guys are going to be able to go to our website, shop.jakeofall.com, and get a whole bunch of his stuff on discount. So here, take a look.
Hey guys, Pete here from 10 Spot Tools, and here's our guest bedroom. We got all of these boxes, and then over here on the shelves we got all this stuff, and this is our leftover inventory from JLC. Now you might be thinking to yourself, wow, if this is all leftover inventory, they must have had a really bad time at JLC. And I gotta tell you, nothing could be further from the truth. JLC was amazing. I just don't know how to do inventory because I've never had to do it before, since everything we do is print on demand. So I brought something like $20,000 worth of inventory with me, which is absurd to think to sell in a weekend. But I guess I wasn't really thinking about it. So here's all our leftover inventory that we're doing a sale on. You can't pick your colors, okay? You get what you get and you don't get upset. You can order the insert. There's no options for colors or latches, but everything that's in this list is going to be 20% off. Back to you, Jake.
All right, if I don't get to nap, you don't get to nap.
Honestly, I thought I was going to talk longer. Oh. So yeah, I've been busy. We've all been crazy busy. It looks he was busy, and I'm glad he did well. I'm glad, Pete, you did well. But let's help him out. Let's sell some of the stuff. You guys all love it. If you don't know, we've been selling 10 Spot Tools stuff on our website since 10 Spot Tools was selling stuff. We've shown his stuff off. We feature it in videos. And we've been busy trying to do a lot of cool stuff in life and haven't had a chance to show you a new product that we're working on. So I figured might as well hook you up with Pete's info. So you just head over to shop.jakeofall.com. And as I might not have said, you're just going to type in something special like JLC.
Yep, if you even just in the search bar put JLC in, it'll pull up all those items that are on sale. And I believe they're 15% off.
And shipping, like, they're in stock.
They're in stock. Like, they come out immediately. But remember, you don't get to pick your color if you do pick one of those, because he did. But, you know, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So he must have been a Boy Scout. He was definitely prepared.
Got to be prepared, and we're going to help reduce his inventory.
Absolutely.
On to the next one. You guys have a great week.
We promise we'll have a real Friday episode next week.
Yeah, definitely.